great to eat. I will put apricots. And I will put apricots.
I will put walnuts.
And I will put walnuts.
I will put cashew. I will put almond.
I will put sweet cranberries.
I will put hazel.
I will put chocolate.
I will put colorful decoration. It is very beautiful.
Yes, it is very beautiful. Is that all? Is it ready to eat? Yes. Well, who is ready to eat? Okay, that's fine. So, Pasha, help us, please, with all those pieces of cake, yes? Well, I think it will be enjoyable to eat this cake. Ola, will you sprinkle? Yes, with chocolate, yeah, okay. Well, and have we finished? Yes, finished our decoration. So it looks beautiful, and I think it will taste not only beautiful, it will taste wonderful, yeah? Now let's try this cake. Try this cake. Well, eat it, please, yeah? So, Dasha, you are the first?
Yes.
Now let's try your piece of cake. Is it tasty, Dasha?
Yes, it's so tasty.
Oh, I'm happy that you like this cake. So, it is a little bit difficult, yeah, to take these pieces of cake, yeah? So, Vasilisa, and is it tasty? Tasty.
So good.
So good. Okay, so now let's eat this cake and enjoy, yeah? Enjoy. Well, Sina, is it tasty? Well, tell us, please. It is great, yeah? Okay, that's fine. So, and, well, and you, Alex, how is it? Yes? Tasty?
Yeah.
Okay, and now we would like to say thank you, yeah, to wonderful family, yeah, who sent us this recipe, yes, and now we will enjoy eating our cake, and of course we will say goodbye, yes, we will say goodbye, yeah, goodbye.